In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this WASSCE chemistry problems under purity of substance. So basically, you're looking at criterion for purity. So guys, we have 6 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question over here says the purity of solid sample can best be determined by its we have solubility, melting point, conductivity, boiling point. The right option on this question is option B, which is melting point. Very important. The next repeated question will be this one. It says a substance is said to be impure if it has a low melting point, it is colored, it dissolves in water with difficulty, it melts, its melting point range is wide. So the right option on this question is option D, which is its melting point range is wide. So when this happens, the substance is said to be impure. The next question will be this one. It says common salts sodium chloride is used for preserving foods. Which of the following properties could be used to determine its purity before use? We have crystalline nature, solubility in water, relative density, melting point. So the right option will be option D, melting point. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says one of the criteria for confirming the purity of benzene is to determine its real boiling point, heat capacity, color, mass. The right option is option A, which is boiling point. The next question will be this one. It says an example of a crystalline substance that does not possess water crystallization is we have sodium triazocarbonate 4, sodium tetraoxo sulfate 6, we have iron 2 tetraoxo sulfate 6, we have potassium triazonitrate 5. So right option will be option A, which is sodium triazocarbonate 4. Okay, so that's the right option on this question. Next question, the last one we have here before I end this video will be this one. It says the purity of a solid sample can best be determined by is, I think I already answered this question. This is option A, melting point. That's the right answer. Okay, so melting point is basically used to determine the purity of solid sample in chemistry. So guys, this basically you can do problems involving purity of a substance or criteria for purity of a substance. We practice with 6 repeated questions for this topic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. Also, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNA exams like WASSCE and other SNA exams you'll be writing. Alright, so if you know this, click on the next button above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.